Do you know there exists a software called Canva, but exactly you don't know how it works? You have a vague idea that it creates some posters, banners, and it helps creating posters, posts, but you don't know how it works. Then this video is for you. Hi guys, I am your friend Ashwarya, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can use Canva and how exactly you can create posts using Canva. If you think this is helpful for you, please move ahead with this video. And without any further delays, let's move to the computer screen.
So here you have to go to first to canva.com, and as you can see here you have a lot of inbuilt thumbnails, posters, even you can create videos, short videos, obviously using Canva. There's a lot of like templates over here which you can use in your Instagram stories, Instagram reels, in your video thumbnails, anything. You can even create logos, you can create posters, anything. So here I will show you how I made this for my video. So I'm just going to download it first and see how easy it is to download. So here I will create it from scratch. Well, you can as a beginner you can just use the inbuilt thumbnails or the inbuilt posts that are already here. It is already designed. You can use that as a beginner, but slowly you'll get to know how you can create your own posters and banners, right? So I'm here in this video. I'm going to show you how you can create one. So I'll just start it from scratch. I'll show it. So here it is. As you can see, this is the Canva Studio where you can design different kind of posters. Here, since it is the thumbnail for my video, so it is sized accordingly. You can add a page over here if you want to design similar things in this page. In the left side you see there are different things over here. Here you can add here are different free templates over here that you can use, obviously. And here you can upload your pictures if you want to customize it. Here are free photos that you can use. Here are elements, different logos of different social media that you can use. You can add text, audio, you can add videos, you can even add different, you can integrate different type of Google Maps. You can integrate GIF, emoji. You can change the background color. Obviously I'm going to change my background color over here. I will use a lighter color since I like using lighter colors to my thumbnails. I don't like using too much loud colors since I feel that using too much of loud color in your thumbnail will not attract people, and people will generally not be able to understand if I use a very loud or a very deep color in my background. So I'll use a lighter color. I'm going to use this over here. You can always go for any color you want to. As you can see, you can go for this as well. I'll try this. Let's see what happens. And then I'll go to text, and I will add a heading. As you can see, I just pressed over here and a heading did pop up, and I'm going to change this to easy guide to Canva. you can place this to any portion of your thumbnail that you want to. I think I'm going to paste it over. I'm going to place it over here, and I'm going to add a subheading by clicking this, and I will write this as beginners tutorial, and I'm going to place it over here. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the element section, and I'll just place this logo of Canva over here. It looks good, looks more professional if I add a logo over here. I'll put it here. I'll use this hashtag. Remember, these are all free logos and elements that I'm using. If you want to use the pro version of Canva, you can always use that. You can always buy that and use that, obviously. But I personally think that there are lots of free templates and free logos and elements. You actually don't need to buy, but obviously if you want to, then you can. So I use the free version of Canva, so I'm using all these. All this is free. If you use the pro version over here, it will have a watermark, so you can't actually download it. So in that case, you have to buy the software. Okay, rather the website. Sorry. So here I'm going to add one of my pictures that I used in my previous videos. I'm going to add this. Sorry about this, my bad. And what is happening? Okay, so I'm going to just enlarge it so that it's more clearly visible. Yes, and I'm going to add another picture as well, since there is a space. You can move it like this, obviously. I think I will just move it here. Just place this over here, and try to place it here. Just be very careful placing things. Okay, so hashtag over here. You can increase or decrease the size of anything like this. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit more attractive. I'm going to add another heading so that people click to my videos. So I'm going to add how I make my thumbnails. I'm not going to use question mark. It looks there is no space, so what will I do is I'll just decrease the size. You can decrease the size like this. You can even change the font, but I think I'm going to keep this font only because this is more bold, and I want people to click my videos, so I will keep this font and not change this. I can just put an enter and move this to the next line, and I'll just put it over here. Thank you. Okay, so this looks good. This is like good to go, and here it is. So you can always like change the font by clicking over here. You can change the color of the font by clicking over here. So this is how you can create a personalized thumbnail using Canva. And now I'm going to download it just by clicking download. You can download as PNG format or JPEG format. Even PDF format is available, so I'm going to download it as PNG format only. It'll take just few seconds to download and it's done. So here it is, guys. This is how I make my thumbnails, and you can too make your own thumbnails. You can use this skill and go freelancing as well. So go and experiment with Canva. Tell me in the comment below how did you like this video, and if you face any kind of problems, or in general if you like my videos, just comment down below and let me know. And that's it for this session. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, comment down below if you have anything to ask me, or just comment how you like this video. You can follow me over Instagram. The link will be in my bio. So go and check it out, and thank you for watching. Happy learning, guys.